mga kapitbahay, kakagaling lang namin ngayon sa Meralco. And I just wanna, wait. Okay, so nag-commercial muna. Okay, so we are actually trying to apply for a temporary connection from Meralco. So actually medyo tumagal na to kasi may mga pinapabago-bago pa sila sa poste and all that. Medyo malayo din kasi siya sa amin. And kami lang yung nag-aasikaso nito talaga. So, aayusin siya ng engineer and then medyo may kailangang i-rectify. Kaya balik-balik si Meralco and all that. But, paano ba to simulan? If you are going to have a temporary connection with Meralco. So, unang-una dyan sa, sa Meralco, is, syempre, mag-aasikaso ka muna ng building permits and all that, ganyan. And I think, while nagpapaayos, pwede mo na rin siyang ipasabay. Sasabihin mo doon sa munisipyo or sa engineering na you will be applying for a temporary permit for the electricity. So, different cities, baka iba din yung process, but this one is specifically for Cavite, Mendez, Cavite. What I did is, nung medyo bandang huli na, dun ko lang na-realize na kailangan palang ipalakad na siya or lakarin na siya, kaya nasabi na ako. And then that permit, siguro I will be discussing na lang on a different video kasi meron siyang another form before ka talaga magpupunta sa Meralco. And then kapag approved na yon, once approved na, they will give you a CFEI. So, ano ba yung mga requirement bukod sa CEI or CFEI? Number 1 is, of course, yung application form and request letter. Number 2 is valid ID of customer, kahit photocopy na lang to. Pero pag pupunta ka doon, syempre, kailangan original for verification. And if you have a representative, they should have their valid ID as well. And authorization letter and waiver na sila yung pinapayagan mo to apply for your Meralco. And number 3 is the land title. They need to have the photocopy then. And then 4th one is yung wiring permit. And then yung CEI, kailangan yun, requirement. And kapag okay na lahat, na-inspect na and all, that's the time you will be paying yung 1,770 pesos for the service deposit. This is what the yellow card looks like. So, medyo hindi ko siya naiintindihan kasi about mga electricity or whatever yan. So, si engineer na yung bahala dito. And now, for the meantime, nakikiconnect lang muna kami sa kapitbahay. Tapos naka-submeter na lang muna kami. And also, pag okay na rin yan, kasi 'di ba, pa-inspect kami ulit kasi nga may mga ni-rectify dun sa poste. So the next na makapag-inspect na si Meralco doon, naman namin tong isubmit na lang sa other branches, and then they'll be the one, or yung customer representative dun will be the one to contact the Meralco Tagaytay, kasi para hindi na rin hassle, at least ano na lang, remotely na lang silang tatawagan para if okay na, then that's the time you'll be paying the 1,770 pesos as the service deposit. So once matapos na namin, I think I'll be making another video. So ayun lang naman, that's our process right now of applying for temporary Meralco. Yun naman guys, thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, please do like and follow.